Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the new session. Hope you have enjoyed your holidays. Today, we are going to learn the poem The Mouse and the Cake, written by Eliza Cook. It's a fable poem. It teaches us a lesson through animal characters. The Mouse and the Cake tells the story of a mouse that found a piece of plum cake and secretly ate the whole thing without sharing it with the other mice. The mouse soon got so sick that even the doctor could not help. This poem talks about greed and the importance of sharing things with others. It shows how an excess of something can harm us. Now, read this poem to know how a mouse ate an entire cake. A mouse found a beautiful piece of plum cake, the richest and sweetest that mortal could make. "There's a noise," cried the mouse. "It is my brothers at play. So I'll hide with the cake, lest they wander this way." Here, a mouse comes across a piece of plum cake. It's the most delicious cake he has ever had. When he hears a noise, he hides the cake and thinking it's his brother's. So why did he hide? Because he has to share the cake with them. Second stanza. He nibbled and panted, but still he kept gulping it down till he made himself ill. Yet he swallowed it all, and 'tis easy to guess he was soon so unwell that he groaned with distress. Here you can see that the mouse was greedy and he did not want to share the cake with anyone. He nibbled continuously and didn't stop even when he was panting. Panting means took short, quick breaths. He kept eating till he made himself unwell. That means he ate the whole piece himself and was soon groaning in pain. Now, third stanza. His family heard him, and as he grew worse, they sent for the doctor who made him rehearse how he had eaten the cake to the very last crumb without giving his playmates and relatives some. So, in this stanza, you can see that his family sent for a doctor who came and made him repeat how he had eaten the cake to the last crumb without giving any to his friends or family. His family hears his groans, but his condition worsens. So they send for a doctor who comes in and asks him to narrate how he had eaten the entire piece of cake without sharing it with his family or friends. So the doctor also wondered how he could eat this piece of cake without sharing with his family or friends. And then the last stanza. "Ah me," cried the doctor, "advice is too late. You must die before long, so prepare for your fate. If you had but divided the cake with your brothers, it would have done you no harm and been good for the others." So the doctor says that it is too late for advice, as the mouse is bound to die soon. He tells the mouse that if he had shared the cake with his brothers, he would not have fallen sick and it would have done the others good. So here the doctor told the mouse that there was nothing he could do to help, because if he had shared the cake with others, it would not have done the mouse any harm. It would have been good for them as well. So, what we have learned from this poem, we should never be greedy and selfish about what we get, because our pleasure will soon change to pain. We should always share things with others, and we should never be greedy or selfish like the mouse, because greed and selfishness always bring about ruin. So, hope you have understood this poem. All of you read this poem and complete your work. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.